Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Machine Learning Basics. I am Janki here. So in this video what we will be talking about? We will talk about what is algorithm in machine learning is by taking example of linear regression algorithm and talk little bit about overfitting and underfitting. Let's start our journey.
In the previous video, we talked about machine learning basic steps. In that, one of the part was dividing the data into trained data and test data, applying the algorithm to trained data and evaluating the performance on the test data. We also talked about what is regression and classification. Regression is used for predicting continuous variable like price, whereas classification is used for predicting categories or classes. Let's name few algorithms. Linear regression, KNN, logistic regression, and SVM. Logistic regression is commonly used for classification, whereas linear regression is commonly used for regression sort of analysis.
Let's look at the data set over here. Area of the house versus price. As we know, area of the house increases, the price increases. Area is an independent variable whereas price is a dependent variable. But there is a row over here where area is equal to 75. For that price is lower. Maybe it is an underdeveloped area, so it is lower, something like that. Let it be. We have plotted the data points on the right hand side. This dataset as we see is an ideal candidate for linear regression algorithm. A straight line would best represent the data. This is simple linear regression.
Let's look at the data point area is equal to 75 over here. The actual value is around 15 lakhs. Let's see what model has predicted. The model has predicted around 36 lakhs if you see. But this is a unique data point.
Let's look at some other data point where area is equal to 100. The model has predicted around 60 lakhs whereas the actual value is 50 lakhs. We will look at the error later. So now we have touched upon linear regression algorithm. We have got a basic idea of linear regression algorithm.
Let's talk about the equation of the line. The equation of the line is y is equal to b0 plus b1x, where b0 is constant and b1 is the slope. X is an independent variable and y is a dependent variable, meaning we are going to predict y based on x. So in our case, it will be price is equal to b0 plus b1 into area.
Let's look at predicting new values. We want to buy a house of area is equal to 25. The seller is charging around 12 lakhs. Let's see what the model has to predict. Yes, it is below 15 lakhs. So it is around 12 lakhs only. So we can go ahead and think of buying the house. This is how we predict using the model. Now let's talk about best fit line. We have few data points over here. So is this the correct line? Or is it this one? Or is it this one? Which one is the correct line? How it is decided? Think about it. We will talk about this in the next slide.
Now let's look at how best fitting line is determined. For that, summation of y minus y hat the whole square should be minimum. What is y? Y is nothing but actual value. That is orange circle. What is y hat? Y hat is nothing but predicted value. That is the pink circle. Y minus y hat is nothing but the difference. Summation means for all the data points. So summation of y minus y hat the whole square should be minimum for the best fitting line. There are two models over here. Let's look at the first model. Is this a good model? It has covered all data points. So it must be good, isn't it? Think about it. No, it's not. It is taking lot of effort to cover all data points. Like you have by-hearted from a book. If something slightly different is asked, you will not be able to answer. Model has learned too much. There will be considerable difference in accuracy of train and test data. This is clearly a case of overfitting. Now let's look at the below one. Is this a good model? Clearly it is not, because it has covered only few data points. It has not learned so much. So training accuracy and testing accuracy both will be low. This is clearly a case of underfitting. And that comes to an end. Thanks a lot for sharing this journey with me. Happy learning.